Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarencenyc explains how not to get cheated on. Let's get into it.
About this crib though is I don't know if y'all how long y'all been following me, but y'all remember I had the best Wi-Fi in the world. You know what I'm saying? I had the best Wi-Fi in the world when I used to live in the building because I had AT&T fiber. Let me put y'all on to something real quick. Put y'all on something real quick. AT&T, this is not no promo, nothing, bro. AT&T didn't pay me or nothing. AT&T fiber, bro. I used to be able to upload videos, right? 20 AT&T fiber, gang. I got that shit. I'm uploading videos in 5 seconds, 10 seconds.
Claire, don't be promoting stuff for free, sweetheart. Go ahead, get your change.
I don't care what network Xfinity's on. Xfinity's, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just never been to Tennessee, I guess. Is more expensive, like, than the internet, though. But all right, Cat. Now ban everybody that just type one. I can't fuck with y'all. How they feel when you listen to the name, y'all. How they look, how they feel. You know what I'm saying? That ass. It was a special cat, Mo. I'm allergic to dogs too. I'm allergic to shrimp, dogs. I'm allergic to all animals, Mo. Word. I'm allergic to all animals, Mo. That ass. But there's like certain dogs. It's really cats that shed and dogs that shed. Like I'm allergic to like the hair more than like the dog itself. You know what I'm saying? And then shrimp, I'm just allergic to shrimp. Like I'm allergic to how they look, how they feel when you bite into it. If you eat seafood, bro, like if you eat shrimp, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I can't fuck with you. Like I almost didn't cuff Queen because of that. Because she just eats shrimp. I'm like, that's fake trash. You know what I'm saying? Red flag.
Yeah, y'all remember that first date they had? And she was like, I'm never gonna eat it again.
Flag. You know what I mean? Like, that's a red flag for me. You set a crush for me on the day you eating shrimp. You liable to kill me. I can't fuck with you. How am I gonna fuck with you? Nah, crawfish is not it. You eat crawfish, you'll eat a toe. Have you ever seen crawfish, bro? You ever seen crawfish? I hate when Queen eats crawfish. Just listen to the name. Listen to the name, y'all. Crawfish. 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 Like, listen to that, bro. Crawfish. This shit is a fish that crawl. Not crawl. Like, not crawl like... not crawl like this. It's crawfish. With like a CRAW, I think. Crawfish. Like, yo, bro, I'm not fucking with it. I ain't fucking with it. Swear to God. I ain't fucking with that. Y'all niggas is fucking with that? Yo, type 1. Type 1 if you like crawfish. Type 1 if you eat crawfish. I'm trying to see something. Bella Torres with another one. Appreciate you. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right, Cat. Now ban everybody that just type 1. I can't fuck with you.
Petty Fam. I told you, Claire. Look at her. Petty. Why you gonna ban everybody that had a one? Y'all welcome to Petty Fam, y'all. I got a family in Louisiana now. You can't undo the crawfish now. Seafood is a way of life down south, bruh.
I can't fuck with y'all. Ban everybody that just put a 1, gang. Not gonna lie, like ban everybody, like everybody that just put a.
So you could be friends with people. They could be part of the fam, Claire. You just don't eat it after them. You know, if they cook, you ask if it's some seafood or something in it. Ask if they got dogs or cats or something, you know? You ain't got to undo everybody. Y'all welcome here if you want you. I do. Shoot, I need my numbers up. Hey, MH, what's up, sis?
One won't needs to, like, you know what I mean? Y'all not invited to the nothing I got going on.
Y'all welcome here, though.
You can't trust a nigga that eat crawfish. Nigga will backstab you.
What?
Nigga will kill you.
Bruh, no, I do not agree with this at all. This is him, not me, okay?
Be asleep in GTA. Claire, would you eat pig feet? Look at me. Come closer. Come closer real quick. That ass.
What's up?
Do I look like a nigga that eats pig feet, bro?
Yeah. You probably just didn't know it. They couldn't ever put in some spices on it or something. You know, you ain't gonna eat it off the hoof. But you might have ate it already. You don't know. You don't know. It's in different people's cultures that have it. And it's not just us.
Pig feet, bro?
Hog maws. I mean, it's some fish heads and stuff in people culture too. You can't be sneezing at people culture.
Does it look like I eat pig feet? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Do you eat cracklings? Do you eat chitlins? All right. Shoot, you don't know where that hot dog came from, right? Petty, yes. Depending on which hot dog you get, if it's on sale, if it's 2 for, you could have had anything in there.
Yeah, bro. I'm from New York, bro. I know a lot of.
Okay, well, where your glizzy? Where your glizzy come from?
Yeah, the nigga that's from Tennessee definitely eat pig feet. Niggas from Tennessee. You only eat queen feet. I'd rather eat queen feet, nigga. I suck the shit out of queen toes before I eat some pig feet, nigga. Word. Niggas be wildin', bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what it is with our people, right? Our people be eating shit they not supposed to be eating, bro. You're not supposed to.
True. But we're not the only people. Secondly, that's historic, okay? And depending on where you live, where this mixing line is, y'all, you know, I mean, everybody ain't got money like that. And you just eat what everybody else eat. Now, is it healthy? No. Not always. You know, you could make healthier versions of it and not use all the fat and all the lard and stuff, of course. But, you know, definitely everybody need to eat healthy, including myself.
Be eating. Yo, bro, I don't like how niggas be acting like they don't suck toes and kiss feet and shit. Like, if you don't do that, bro, like, you just boring then. That's why niggas get cheated on, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's why niggas get cheated on, bro. Have I got cheated on? Nope. Nope. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas be getting cheated on because y'all not doing shit. And they gonna find somebody to do that shit. You know what I'm saying? No toes, bro. I'm not saying, bro, I'm not saying pick a treesh. I'm not saying get a treesh and suck on her toes, nigga. Come on, bro. If you see a girl on her story twerking all over, she barefooted all the time, bro, you're not sucking on those toes, but you find a girl. You gotta say you find a nice girl, and you say you've been with her a couple years, nigga, throw that foot in your mouth. Throw that foot in your mouth, you heard?
He said, throw the foot in your mouth. Okay. I mean, he telling you some game, I guess. Let's listen. This is where we get to the good part. We had to get past the internet connection, but I do see he dropping stuff, so I don't know. So I love it. I don't know if I record all his stuff today, but I'm gonna get y'all with a couple of them.
You know what I mean? Like, niggas, bro. Niggas, that's why niggas get cheated on, though. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Niggas ain't doing what they supposed to be doing, and then you get mad. You walk in the crib, and your shorty is upside down sucking wild beef. And it's because, nigga, she always wanted to go upside down. Nigga, you the regular nigga that just, oh, let's go to the bed. Meet you in the room. Like, nah, nigga, like, bro, hit that, like, you feel me? Like, get crazy in the kitchen, nigga. While she making fucking chicken wings, nigga. Like, niggas be wildin', bro. I'm not gonna lie. I might have to give a class or something, bro. Word. My pants is wild tight. You know what's tight? Your fucking bank account. That's what's fucking tight.
Oh, petty. See, I be telling y'all, Claire petty. First of all, I mean, I'm gonna have to make Claire like a petty fam shirt. So, Claire, if you on my channel, sweetheart, just let me know. I will send you a petty fam shirt so you could wear every now and then. And then you could just let people know that we are all family, right? Because Claire, first of all, Claire bust y'all down over y'all internet connection. He bust y'all over y'all food preference. Over North versus South versus like cultural references. He like y'all countries, you know, like Claire is like on one. But when y'all come over him about his little custom pants, you know they designing some just cause he got a little slim fit and stuff, you know, he trying to let you know he working out and stuff, okay? Don't come for Clarence's pants. He said your bank account low, boo-boo. Slim fitting on the dinner table. Rude. Claire is not playing with y'all today. He got time. He got lots of time today. His internet working, boo-boo.
I tell you that right now. Your fucking bank account is tight, nigga. What you want me to have the Balenciaga jeans DDG hat on, nigga? Like, nigga, I got regular jeans on. Nigga, they stacked too. Like, nigga, what? Niggas is like... Nigga said, nah, this nigga needs some wig. Nigga, you know who's a fucking fashion icon? Nigga, me. I'm a fashion icon, nigga. Nigga wanted me with the Balenciaga jeans, which is fire. I'm not gonna lie, I fuck with them. But that just wasn't the mood today, gang. You know what I'm saying? That wasn't the mood. That wasn't the mood. Today called for tight jeans. If I go upstairs and throw the Ricks on, you're going to be like, oh, shit. He did that. Like, word. K Goatee, what's good? See, I texted you on Instagram. You can't really text people on Instagram. You got DM. Like, it's kind of DM. It's like you DM me. What's good? See, I texted you on Instagram about the one-on-one conversation. I was hoping you could look at it. Bro, I get mad DMs, gang. I probably ain't see it. I probably didn't see it, gang. Dote, my nigga Smooth. Aura. Yo, bro. Nigga, shout out to Smooth Geo, bro. But, yo, my nigga Smooth Aura. Appreciate you, gangy. Shout out to Geo, too, man. Yo. What we doing? We about to react to some shit. Yeah, WP in the chat, man. My nigga Go, my son Go Leo's in here. How am I Ed, bro? We about to do some reactions, word. Bro, do it look like I play games? Nah, I'm fucking with y'all, bro. I'm fucking with y'all. We might play the game today. The only way I play the game today is if Pete and Adam get on, and we playing Resurgence. Where in Soundview you from? I'm from the block, man. I'm from the block, man. Now I'm from St. Lawrence and Randall. I'm a Randall baby. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not from the projects. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm a little, you know what I mean? Like, I really represent my Randall niggas. St. Lawrence and Randall, though, for sure. Right, Pete? Randall.
I gotta go to New York. I feel like I need to know where these places are. I mean, if we got petty family from New York, y'all go ahead. Y'all go ahead, drop a line and represent a little bit. New Jersey, DC, wherever y'all got. Y'all let me know, sweethearts. I want to know.
You an ATL nigga now. Never, nigga. Never been an ATL nigga. Yo, Leo, you gonna give me a spider sweatsuit, Mo? If you do that, Mo, you're fucking goated. You gave me a spider sweatsuit, Mo. You could pick the color, bro. I'll body any color, Mo. If you do that, you're fucking goated, Mo. I don't like when niggas say like Clarence ATL. That shit not even funny, bro. Word.
Now that's petty. Don't be disrespecting, bruh. Do not disrespect him. Be calling him Clarence ATL. Like, you know what I mean? Like, that ain't cool. Like, if the man call himself what he call himself, that's what he want to be known by. And until he change it, don't call him nothing different.
Eric. My nigga Derek, bro. My nigga Derek always pull up and wild out, bro. Yo, Derek, I need a shape up, Mo. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, I can't let you touch my head, bro. I fucking love you, though. Word. I fucking love you. I'm just real picky with who cuts my hair, Derek. I love you, though. You know what I'm saying? But I really I'm letting John cut my shit from now on, bro. Fucking love you, Derek. Derek be ODing. He be showing wild love. Nah, Derek be going crazy, bro. Where my nigga Derek at? Yo, Derek, I never hit you back on Twitter. Let me hit you back right now, Mo. That's how we gonna What's your shit? Well, I don't even see your shit, gang. I thought I wrote back to you. Derek, what's your shit, Derek? Cat. Nah, I'm Cat. Cat is selling something. Yo, Cat, what's up, bro? Cat is selling something, bro. I hope it's not what I think. You know what I mean, Cat? I hope it's not what I think. Cat, you better not be selling cat. I'll tell you that. Oh, I'm a fucking rapper. I got you, guy. I just wrote you back. Cat better not be selling cat, Mo. That'll be beast. Flipping into the subs. Flipping cat to subs is crazy. Flipping cat to subs is crazy. Yo, K-Bando, why you on my dick, bro? Nigga said, why you not thanking your subs? I literally have thanked everybody that has subbed. This is, and I bet you from New York, bro. I hate niggas. Bro. It's like, yo, Cat, I appreciate you, gang. Like, I'm saying it for the second time. Like, you know what I mean? Niggas don't be letting me breathe, bro. Niggas don't even be letting me breathe. Bro, I got time today, bro. Niggas sound like a female. K Dottie, you sound like a bitch. K Dottie, you sound like a bitch, bro. Word. Alright, my fault, K Bando, my fault. I'm on your head for no reason, my fault, bro. Sherelle with the 10 gifted, bro. Oh, my fault, K Dottie, my fault, K Dottie. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. You wasn't talking about me, my fault. You wasn't talking about me. Yo, I gotta chill, bro. I think it's cause I'm not smoking weed, bro. I'm on edge a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a little on edge. You can't really, like, you gotta clarify. Like, if you're not talking to me, bro, you gotta kind of say, like, yo, nah, this nigga sound like a...
Because you need to be like, I mean, you still, I know this is chat and everything, and this is whatever this is, but, you know, you still gotta add who you talking about and put their name, like he said. You know, he thinking everything else directed towards him. What's his Stitch? Twitch? Y'all let me know.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Don't, because I'm gonna think you talking about me. My fault, though. I apologize to everybody that I affected. I'm really sorry. Gotta relax.
Oh, Claire with the petty.
Yeah, I'm just sober, bro. I haven't had a blunt in like 15 days. You know what I'm saying?
All right, Claire. Congratulations, bruh. That's a big accomplishment, y'all.
And it's like, nah, fuck that. I'm not even explaining myself. What we doing, gang? J2 tough. You got a girl pregnant? Nah, Sherelle with another 5. Sherelle did a 10 and a 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Oh my God, it's hot as fuck in here. Oh, have mercy. Damn, my editor's gonna have to censor a lot of shit. I'm cursing and shit. Nah, I don't need weed. I'm doing fine without the weed, bro. I don't even think about the weed, word. Getting a girl pregnant is tough, though. I'm not gonna lie, Pete. You see, they be wilding in here. We about to reach 1,300 in no time. Sherelle came in, went crazy. Sherelle went crazy. Who else went? Kat went crazy. Derek went crazy. Why you don't get on stream with Kyle, bro? I answer that all the time, bro. I'm a busy man, bro. Like, if I didn't have kids, responsibility, yo, I was waiting for the GOAT, Leo, bro. I swear I was just about to say, the only nigga we missing is my nigga Leo, bro. Yo, with the 50, with the big 50, though. With the big 50, though. And then Heavenly with another 10. And then Pam with a 25. I can't even keep up, gang. I can't even keep up. And we reached 1,300, bro. And we reached 1,300. Now, this is what we're doing for 1,300. This is what we're doing for 1,300. I fucking love Twitch, bro. Twitch, y'all really get to see my personality on Twitch. And
I see all his personality on Twitch. I mean, shoot.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I've noticed that you get to see more of my personality sober. Like, when I'm high, I'm too laid back. Like, I'm just cool. Like, I'm that cool nigga. Like, yo, why y'all been, bro? You know what I'm saying? How y'all niggas been? You know what I'm saying? But with sober, nigga, I got all this energy that I just gotta get out. Like, I feel like a little kid. I just changed it. 1,500, the new sub goal, gang. Yo, Big Shmoo, you trying to send me a spider hoodie too? Let me bring out the paper, Mo. Let me bring out the paper. That's the P.O. box right there. That's where you send it. That's where you send it right there. Right there, gang. And you could pick the color. Word, I'm not even picky. You could pick the color. Yo, Khadijah, leave me alone. Shorty say you taking that paper to the new house. Yo, y'all niggas is dead funny, bro. Dead ass. I'm not gonna lie, y'all niggas is dead funny, bro. Word. I like y'all sense of humor, word. Damn, my stomach going crazy right now. I'm wild hungry. I don't know. I don't know my size. I'm probably a medium or a large. If y'all got already, if it runs small, give me a large. If it run like true to size, just put it like a medium. True to size like a medium. I really like my shit a little big though. Pause though. Just give me a large, bro. Just give me a large, bro. Just give me the large. Just give me the large. Pause. Yo, Pete. C4 that. Niggas said C4 that. I hate niggas. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I like talking to y'all in the beginning a little more. Instead of just going right into the reactions, I really like talking to y'all. I'm gonna make this a video. I'm gonna make this whole front part video. Post it on YouTube. Yeah, sweatpants large. You know what I mean? No, like
No. Don't say it, Claire. Do not say it. We can already infer what we've been learning from Queen. Like, I don't need to know all that about you, sis, bruh. I don't need to know what sis think about you like that. That's between you and her, and I mean, I don't need to know all that, sir. Mr. Clare. I don't. I really, really don't. Ain't gonna do me no bit of good, Pooh. Don't mess with nobody, man, honey bun.
like, you know what I'm saying? Like, my bottom half is kind of like, it's always...
Although I will say, that's that big old booty he got. Sorry. I'm back. I'm sorry.
I don't know how to say that, bro. Like my bottoms be large. And then, like, up top, I kind of like it a little, like, medium type shit. That makes sense. Pause. C4 that too, copy. C4 that. Bro, it's like, bro, y'all niggas, there must be a lot of New York niggas in here. I hate niggas. I can't say nothing, gang. I really can't say nothing. There's mad new niggas in here, man. Make sure y'all sub up, gang. Make sure y'all sub up. Oh, and follow the Discord.
Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. Click the bell and become part of Nodo Squad.
That ass. If y'all not tuned into the Discord, man, y'all might trip and fall today. So make sure y'all add the Discord, bro. I don't need none of y'all tripping and falling today. Before we get these reactions, let me know where y'all from. Everybody write where they from real quick.
Yeah, y'all right where y'all from, all right? Let me know where we at. Let me know where a petty fan resides. I'd like to know. Thank you.
You from Australia, bro? Heard you, mate. Heard you. Okay, Jersey, Brooklyn, Connecticut, New York. There's a lot of New York in here, though. Delaware, D.C.
See, you need to apologize to the Baton Rouge person.
Bronx, New York, Brooklyn, Texas, ATL, Seattle. Just all over. Just all over. I'm fucking with it. I'm fucking with it. said I'm from the trenches. Heard you, gang. I'm from the trenches too, man. For sure, big trenches. Definitely. Yo, thank y'all for everybody that's following too. Make sure y'all follow OSBJ. That boy D-Man is crazy. But thank you for the follow. The Real Ben with the follow. T-Bay with the follow. Day with the follow. Kaylin with the follow.
More of this, y'all. So I'm gonna end it here. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell to become part of the Noto Squad.